Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, a really interesting company for you, Wearable Devices Ltd. They're actually down at the CES or Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas right now, presenting their Mudra technology. Now that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Very exciting wearable technology. Before we get into it, please take a second, smash the like button, you guys. Big help to myself and the channel, specifically in getting this content out to other people like you who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join and let us know in the comments section below if you're currently holding shares of this company, your thoughts on their technology itself, and outlook into 2025. Now, with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be profiling Wearable Devices Ltd. Trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker WLDS. Now this one is a super timely video. Wearable Devices is actually down in Las Vegas right now, presenting at the CES or the Consumer Electronics Show. This is the biggest event in terms of tech around the world each and every year. And as we're going to talk about in today's video, Wearable Devices as an exhibitor at the CES has a lot to talk about as an award-winning leader in the AI-based wearable gesture control technology sector. Now their Mudra Band and Mudra Link neural wristband, which we're going to look at in a second here, are their consumer product offerings or what they're actually showcasing at the CES. This is cutting-edge neural interface capabilities, enabling seamless touch-free interaction with digital devices, redefining the future brain-computer interface. So at the very forefront or bleeding edge of technology, and that's what we're going to focus on in today's video. Also take note, if you are at the CES, they're in the Central Hall at booth 15758. Now as you can see on the screen, Wearable Devices is down about 6% on the session, currently trading hands just shy of $2.14. However, if we zoom out to a 1 month view, you can see this company is up a respectable 29% in the last 30 days, with 12.5% actually coming from the last 5 trading sessions. Now, because this is the first time covering wearable devices on the channel, I wanted to jump over to the corporate website, give you guys a quick background in terms of what this company is all about. Wearable Devices Ltd. is a pioneering growth company revolutionizing human-computer interaction through its AI-powered neural input technology for both consumers, BTC, and B2B markets. Leveraging proprietary sensors, software, and advanced AI algorithms, the company's innovative products like the Mudra Band for iOS and the Mudra Link for Android enable seamless touch-free interaction by transforming subtle finger and wrist movements into intuitive controls. These groundbreaking solutions enhance gaming and the rapidly expanding AR, VR, and XR landscapes. So extremely interesting technology. You can see why this is a huge hit at the Consumer Electronics Show. The company offers a dual channel business model, direct-to-consumer sales, and enterprise licensing. Its flagship Mudra Band integrates functional and stylish design with cutting-edge AI to empower consumers, while its enterprise solutions provide businesses with the tools to deliver immersive and interactive experiences. So an extremely interesting company and product that they're really bringing to market. Now it dates back to this press release from June 10th, 2024, talking about Wearable Devices demonstrating their first phase of integration of the Mudra technology with Qualcomm Snapdragon Spaces. And it was this integration that actually solved most of the camera-based hand tracking limitations required by the industry for mass adoption of augmented and virtual reality. So this was the press release or the breakthrough that really led to these future developments or catalysts for wearable devices. And as you read through the press release, you can see them talking about this successful completion of their first phase of integration with Qualcomm's Snapdragon Spaces extended reality or XR developer platform. Now this milestone followed a previous collaboration agreement announced prior in 2024, making a significant step forward in transforming the XR industry through this innovative gesture-based control. Now, as a result, the Mudra Band technology was successfully integrated with the Snapdragon Spaces platform, and that's what enabled enhanced user experiences through this intuitive gesture-based interaction augmented reality or virtual reality environments. The integration itself showcases the potential of combining Mudra's touchless control technology with Snapdragon Spaces, setting a new standard for immersive digital experiences, and redefining how users interact with the digital world. So it's important to have this context as we move to the next part of the presentation, as there was some significant limitations or breakthroughs that needed to occur, and this integration between the Mudra technology and the Snapdragon Spaces from Qualcomm was really the catalyst that enabled this future growth. So now that you know a little bit of the background about wearable devices and the Mudra platform, here's a look at the non-invasive neural input interface that again is powered by artificial intelligence. You can see seamless integration, in this case iOS or with the Apple Watch, with the Mudra technology embedded into the watch band itself. So it's this band or wearable wristband in partnership with those finger movements that enables that neural connection or neural interface. Now, in terms of investment highlights, we just talked about this brain-to-device technology, direct brain-to-device interaction or neural input that's revolutionizing human interaction with technology. So you think about the speed at which wearable technology has caught on, not to mention ChatGPT, AI, some of the benefits of artificial intelligence. Now imagine pairing these technologies together, and that's exactly what you get at Wearable Devices. Now, Mudra itself is proven. This is an AI-powered neural sensor enabling OEMs or original equipment manufacturers to build touchless sensing wearables like we just saw with iOS or the Apple Watch. They've already shipped over 1,000 bands for Apple Watch, proving the technology is ready and establishing brand awareness. They've signed that partnership with Qualcomm, which we just talked about, and have positioned themselves for growth by integrating their technology with existing devices and other platforms for various engagement and monitoring applications. So really a great product and approach to the market in order to get this brand recognized and associated with some of the industry giants. Now, these are some of the high-level numbers from Wearable Devices. Founded back in 2014, again, over 1,000 shipped Mudra bands for Apple Watch, 7 patents, so a deep moat of intellectual property, and over $2 million in research grants from the Israel Innovation Authority. And you'll see representation at CES, including the Best of CES award, which we'll come on to a little later in the presentation. Now, before we move into the main event or the big press release I wanted to cover in today's video, this is a closer look at the Mudra technology platform. You can see 6 key features, the first of which being those handheld gestures or hand-controlled gestures. The first of which being those hand or fingertip gestures that can be customized per use case or customer request. They've got customizable software incorporated into their app, pre-built gestures including continuous tap, double tap, and discrete gestures. Ergonomic design using flex rigid board, which obviously is super important, especially for people that are looking for comfort with the wristband or watch strap itself. S&C sensors that convert neural signals from the ulnar, radial, and median nerves into digital actions, and of course that enhanced signal processing using their deep learning neural networks. So honestly, just incredible technology, and some of the details you may not be familiar with. There's a 96% accuracy rate using deep learning AI for signal pattern matching. That's what allows these standard and custom design gestures to work with the technology itself. As I just mentioned, they're capturing multiple nerve signals from the ulnar, radial, and median nerves. And it's that deep moat of intellectual property that allows Wearable Devices to decode those neural impulses into accurate Mudra air touch gestures, which are translated into digital commands. So just an absolute game changer, not only for the company, but really for consumers in general, as this is now the next step or next iteration in wearable technology. Now, with that being said, the main event here, and as part of the CES presentation, Wearable Devices has announced its general availability of its Mudra Link Neural Gesture Control Wristband, meaning that incredible technology we just talked and learned about in today's presentation is now available for purchase to the general public. So again, Wearable Devices, an award-winning technology company showcasing at CES booth number 15758, is pleased to announce the general availability of its Mudra Link, the first neural wristband for Android, Mac OS, and Windows devices. Now you can see this is following the New Devices CES 2025 Innovation Award, recognizing the Mudra Link in the XR Technologies and Accessories category. Here's a look at the Mudra Link itself. Representing a new era of touchless control and interaction, the Mudra proprietary surface nerve conductance sensors pick up electromyography signals from the subtle finger movements, translating them into intuitive commands for a wide range of devices and applications, including augmented reality glasses, smart TV streamers, mobile phone, tablet, and personal computers, not to mention smart home control. So a number of key use cases for this technology. Now, what's so exciting about this development, it's really complementary to existing AR advancements, including Meta's Orion glasses. We're seeing huge uptake and demand for these innovative products. And this platform itself, built for developers and innovators, is really the next step for the Mudra development kit. Now, features of the Mudra Link itself, some of which we've already talked about, include that intuitive gesture control, harnessing advanced neural interface technology, which gives the Mudra Link the ability to capture even the smallest movements of a user's hand, customizable gestures, as we talked about earlier in the presentation, and that compatibility with these existing ecosystems, whether you're talking about iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS. The Mudra Link itself works across multiple platforms, which opens up a lot of possibilities for things like gaming, smart home automation, and even professional tasks down the road. Now, the next thing you're probably asking is where can I get one and how much? If you actually follow the link to the mudraband.com website, you can see pre-order is available currently. The Mudra Link itself is on for $199 currently with a 33% discount. Estimated shipping is in January or this month of 2025. So not only are you able to invest in the company itself, you're also able to purchase the technology if this is something you may have interest in. So for those reasons, you guys, I definitely think Wearable Devices Ltd is a company you may want to add to your watch list. They're receiving a ton of recognition and attention at events like CES and from the investment community, not to mention the massive launch of the Mudra Link itself, which should be a major catalyst for the organization. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've heard of wearable devices before, if you've heard of the Mudra Link yourself, and if you're currently holding shares. That's all for now. Before you go, take a second, hit the like button, you guys. Huge help to myself and the channel, specifically in getting this content out to other people who may find value. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.